had his eyes down. Shall we have a little look?
Hey.
Tauba.
How do you know that word?
I work for a Pakistani family, but you shouldn't be on the phone.
You're right, but how do you know that word?
I was taught by the son of my boss.
What other words do you know?
A few, but I'm not going to repeat them
No,
here.
I need to know.
No. You have a nice day, and please don't go on your phone.
Have a wonderful day.
Say a nice hello. I assume that's your mum or your missus, so. But tell her not to talk to you while you're driving. LV74RKU. Yeah, it's quite entertaining actually. My boss's son Ibrahim, who has Down syndrome, and he's quite famous through an entirely different video not connected to me. He's the one who taught me the Tauba. It just means repent in Arabic and Urdu. So I'm only just telling the driver that he should repent from his phone use.